So let's just say that you wanted to put a poster in your room, but you don't want to spend $5 at Walmart. They don't have the right posters. Today, I'm going to show you guys right now how you can make your own posters in literally less than 5 minutes sometimes. Here we go. So I just want to note that these aren't literally posters, it's just paper and you're putting them on the wall. Now, you can't sell these posters. You can put them up on your wall, that's legal, but you can't sell these posters, that's illegal. So let's just say I'm a really big Apex fan, and I really like Apex, and I want to put an Apex poster up on my wall. So let's just say I select this image right here. You know, you got Mirage, Caustic, Lifeline, Bloodhound, Wraith, Big Boy Gibraltar, Pathfinder, and Bangalore, who is my favorite character. I also really like Pathfinder. But anyway, this is the entire character list here. So you're just going to save this. You can choose where to save it. I've already saved it, so I'm not going to save it again. You need to go to where you've saved it. I've saved it onto my computer. You can see it's projected all the way across the screen. You're going to want to click off of this, and then you're going to want to right-click the picture and select print. Now, here's where it can get a little bit tricky. Fit picture to frame. This can be a bad thing sometimes. As you can see, this completely cuts off Caustic's left side and completely, like, totally cuts off Bangalore's gun. I don't like that. Bangalore needs a gun in her hands, and I just like the outside. And you can't see Caustic's Nox grenade then. So you're going to click off of fit picture to frame. I would do for quality 1200 by 1200. This is 1200 by 1200 pixels. If you do 600 by 600, it can be worse quality. So go ahead, select 1200 by 1200, and make sure you have copies of each picture set to 1, and then just go ahead and print. There we go. Awesome, that was pretty quick. And as you can see now, when I lay this down, this actually looks really good. The colors are really nice, everything is really sharp. This is why I would suggest doing 1200 by 1200. Make sure that your printer has the right cartridges, because as you can see, our printer is actually out of yellow. So as you can see, since our printer is out of yellow, Mirage's jacket is supposed to be yellow, and it's normally yellow, but we're out of yellow ink, so it automatically defaults to the closest ink, which we do have, which is orange. I also have this Apex poster right here is of my second favorite character, Pathfinder, shooting Bloodhound. But now I'm going to take y'all with me to my room, and I'm going to show y'all how to put these up. So we've got our two posters. We've got the Apex line up there, and we've got the Pathfinder picture there. What you're going to want to do for both of these, you need to flip them over, have the side down, make sure the ink's dry. You can blow out on them a little bit. Alright, so now that I have my camera in place, what you're going to want to do, for this, you can use tape or putty. I would suggest using putty, but we're out of putty right now, so I'm going to use tape. You're going to want to take about a 2-inch piece of tape if you aren't used to making tape rings. This is only about an inch piece of tape long because I'm used to making tape rings. As you probably can tell, I have a lot of Marvel posters in my background. Those aren't real posters. I literally use this method to create my shrine to Stan Lee. I'm joking. It's not a shrine to Stan Lee. I call it my wall of Marvel. For each picture, not for all of the pictures, for each picture, you're going to want 4 pieces of tape. Clear tape like this usually works better because you can't see it through the paper. Try not to use masking tape for projects like this. Just set the tape in one corner and then push the tape down like that. Push the tape down flat onto the picture and then do that in every single corner. If you're a beginner at like craft stuff like this, then you're going to want to put the piece of tape on your thumb, then with your other thumb, curl the piece of tape around, kind of support it with your middle finger, and then just push the tape together nice and easy like that. And it shouldn't come unstuck. You can kind of, pull on it. It should not come unstuck. If it's coming unstuck on the wall, you have an issue. You didn't make your tape ring well enough. So then, finally, make one more tape ring. And do literally the exact same thing with all corners. We're done with the tape now. Do the exact same thing in every single corner of the picture. Put a tape ring down in every single corner. I will see y'all once I have done that. Now, we've got the tape on both of these. I have a slot in my wall of marble. As you can see, I kind of had to move some things around from the last base camp. I used to have Endgame in the complete center because that's my favorite Marvel movie of all time, favorite just movie in general. It was so good. So Pathfinder's going to be a little tight here. We're just going to, you know, it's kind of hard to record and put this poster up at the same time. Gotta get it just right. Then with tape, this is not the case with putty. With tape, you should be able to lay it on the wall and it's good, but it's not gonna stick for like even a full day if you do that. So just go over the edges, every edge, because you should have put tape in every corner. Go over every corner and put tape in those corners. Yeah, there we go, y'all. Epic. That looks awesome. Remember, pull on the top, pull on the bottom. No tape rings should be coming loose. But guys, that is looking like that is all for today's tutorial video on how to put up posters. If y'all want to do a wall of Marvel like this, I really like walls of Marvel. I've seen a couple walls of Marvel, and that's what inspired me to do mine. Definitely be sure to leave a like, and if you have a wall of Marvel, send it to the email address appearing right over the big Marvel mashup poster right there. Be sure to send an email with your picture to that, or put an Instagram post up. Follow me at The Real Timmybug. That is my personal account. Follow me at The Real Timmybug. You can tag me. You can tag The Real Timmybug on the picture for the wall of Marvel. Heck, if you want to do a wall of Apex, I really like walls of Apex. I've seen a couple of those on like Pinterest and stuff. But yeah, guys, that is all for this video. Be sure to leave a like and subscribe. That would greatly show your support and show that you want to see more videos like this on the channel, doing tutorials, specifically showing more stuff on how to put stuff up on your wall. I still have my lonely Minecraft poster over here, but it's a Lego Minecraft poster, so two nerd things in one's epic. Until the next time, guys, I will talk to y'all later. Goodbye!